Right, there you have it, chicken stir fry ready in 7 minutes. Guys, who needs Uber Eats? Guys, today I'm making my quick 7-minute chicken stir fry with rice noodles, tender stem broccoli and red peppers. Outstanding dish, packed with flavour. You're gonna love this one. Got 1 egg, 1 lime, some sesame seeds, some sesame seed oil, some soy sauce, some rice noodles, tender stem broccoli, spring onion, 1 clove of garlic and some red bell peppers and some chicken breast. Right, to start with I'm gonna put a tablespoon of sesame seeds into my hot pan and just let them toast off. Those won't take long, so just keep an eye on them. You don't want burnt sesame seeds. Right guys, I've got these rice noodles that take 5 minutes to cook. Basically just going to place them into a bowl like so, and I'm just going to pour on some boiling hot water straight from my kettle, and I'm just going to let these soak for about 5 minutes. Right, my sesame seeds are done. I almost over toasted them while I was doing my noodles. Right, these are going to go straight into my bowl for later, and those are going to be used as a garnish. Right, we're going to start by just slicing into our chicken breast, and we're going for really thin slices here, so long thin slices. And this is just like half a chicken breast that I've got left over from the dish I done yesterday. Right, my chicken's done. I'm going to go straight into my pan with a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to go straight in, unseasoned, straight in the pan with our chicken. And then once it's in the pan, we're going in with our salt, pepper, and then just move it around. It won't take long for this chicken to cook, so just keep an eye on it. Beautiful. While the chicken's doing its thing, I'm just going to get my tender stem broccoli and a fresh knife. And I love tender stem broccoli. It's just one of my favorite things to eat right now. And I'm just going to slice into it, stems and all. Right, once the chicken's like pretty much all the same color and that pinkness is gone, right, we're going to go in with our tender stem broccoli into the same pan with the chicken, and as well as our red peppers, and just stir that all together. And then now we're going to go in with our soy sauce. So we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and that's just going to give everything a rich color and that beautiful glaze, that salty kick. Like half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil, and that just gives it a beautiful nuttiness. Guys, I've realized I forgot to add my garlic, but it's fine, I'm going to do that now. Right, in with your garlic, and whatever you do, don't boil that broccoli or blanch that broccoli don't worry about what you read anywhere else. You don't want to do anything but saute that broccoli. You want it to be nice and crisp and packed with flavour. Right, at this stage what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move my chicken to one side of the pan, right? Get my egg, break it, give it a really quick whisk. I'm just going to tilt my pan slightly so the egg stays on this side, and I'm just going to go in. And I don't mind that soy sauce and that seasoning kind of like running into my egg. That's all flavour, I want that. And now my chicken's kind of warm, being kept warm, but it's not cooking because I'm tilting the pan and my egg's just slowly cooking along. Right guys, while that egg cooks, my noodles have been in for about 5 minutes, so I'm just going to go and drain them. Right, that egg's coming along nicely, and that's going to give the whole dish a nice creaminess. Right, and then I'm going to go straight in with our drained noodles, and we can start mixing the whole dish together. Right, this is looking perfect. Our noodles have combined with the egg and the chicken. I'm just going to do one last thing. I'm just going to give it just a touch of soy sauce just at the end. I like to give it an extra drizzle just for the extra salty kick. And we're almost ready to plate up. Okay, we're going to go straight into our bowl. Beautiful. What's this taken? 7 minutes? Lovely, healthy, nutritious, packed with flavour. Right, we're going to finish up with a sprinkling of spring onions. Squeeze of just a couple of drops of lime just to bring everything, and then don't forget those beautiful toasted sesame seeds that we done earlier. Right, and there you have it. That's my perfect chicken and noodle stir fry with tender stem broccoli and peppers made in 7 minutes. Outstanding. Guys, I'm going to do the taste test before I get stuck in. I'd just like to say, if you're enjoying our content, if you like these videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. That really helps us. Also, if you want me to try a specific dish, I promise you I will do it if you put it in the comments below, whatever it is. All right, let's get stuck in. Right, let's start off with some of these noodles. Really simple, really delicious. Noodles are cooked in 5 minutes. Guys, I'm just gonna grab something really quick. The noodles I'm using are these rice noodles, right? They take 5 minutes to cook or less. Keep these in your pantry. Wonderful, really happy with that. Guys, this isn't just delicious, it's absolutely effing delicious.